Hi, let's continue with our SAT practice test. The function g is defined by g of x equals x squared plus 9, for which value of x is g of x equal to 25. In this problem, the question is, for which value of x is g of x equal to 25? At this point, we must remember that the function g is defined by g of x equals x squared plus 9. So we are going to replace g of x with x squared plus 9. X squared plus 9. And this is equal to 25. Nice. Now we are going to solve this quadratic equation. And we want to isolate x, but we have a plus 9 over here. So we are going to subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. Here we have x squared and then plus 9 minus 9 give us 0. And this is equal to 25 minus 9 give us 16. Here we have x squared equals 16. At this point, I'm going to remember that if x squared is equal to a, then x is equal to plus minus square root of a. If x squared is equal to 16, then x is equal to plus minus square root of 16. Nice. Finally, x is equal to plus minus square root of 16 is 4. And here we have two solutions, negative 4 and positive 4. Do we have any of these numbers in the choices? Yes. Over here we have positive 4. So the choice A is the correct answer. That's all for today, but over there you will find more SAT practice problems. See you next lesson.